Paying with Zelle on Kickwho is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, link your Zelle account to PayPal. Open the Zelle app and tap on the settings icon. Select linked accounts and then link a bank account. Enter your PayPal account details and tap link. Add the items you want to purchase to your Kickwho cart and proceed to checkout. Select PayPal as the payment method. Log into your PayPal account and complete the payment. Go to the Payoneer website and click on Sign Up. Enter your personal information and create a password. Verify your email address and phone number. Log into your Payoneer account and click on Settings. After that, select Cards and then Add New Card. Then enter your Zelle account details and tap Add Card. Add the items you want to purchase to your Kickwho cart and proceed to checkout. Select Payoneer as the payment method. Log in to your Payoneer account and complete the payment.